Welcome to this tutorial on how to integrate Mailchimp with your Facebook page. Mailchimp is an email marketing service that can help you connect with your audience, and integrating it with your Facebook page can help you grow your subscriber list and reach more people. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to integrate Mailchimp with your Facebook page. Step 1. Create a Mailchimp account. The first step is to create a Mailchimp account if you don't already have one. Go to the Mailchimp website and sign up for a free account. Once you have signed up, you can create a new email list for your Facebook subscribers. Step 2. Connect Mailchimp to Facebook. Now it's time to connect Mailchimp to your Facebook page. Go to the Mailchimp dashboard and click on the Audience tab. Then, click on the drop-down menu and select Audience Dashboard. From there, click on the Integrations tab and find the option to connect Mailchimp to Facebook. Step 3. Authorize Mailchimp to access your Facebook page. When you click on the option to connect Mailchimp to Facebook, you will be prompted to authorize Mailchimp to access your Facebook page. Follow the on-screen instructions to give Mailchimp the necessary permissions. Step 4. Create a Facebook ad campaign. To integrate Mailchimp with your Facebook page, you will need to create a Facebook ad campaign. Go to the Facebook Ads Manager and create a new campaign. Choose the objective of your campaign, which should be to collect leads or increase conversions. Step 5. Choose your targeting options. When creating your Facebook ad campaign, you will need to choose your targeting options. Make sure to target people who are likely to be interested in your business and who are likely to sign up for your email list. Step 6. Create a Facebook lead form. Once you have set up your targeting options, it's time to create a Facebook lead form. This is the form that people will see when they click on your ad. When creating the form, make sure to include fields for the subscriber's name and email address, and any other information you want to collect. Step 7. Connect your lead form to Mailchimp. Now that you have created your Facebook lead form, it's time to connect it to Mailchimp. Go to the Ad Setup tab in the Facebook Ads Manager and find the option to connect to Mailchimp. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your lead form to your Mailchimp account. Step 8. Test your integration. Finally, it's time to test your Mailchimp integration. Go to your Facebook page and look for the lead form. Enter your email address and submit the form. You should receive a confirmation email from Mailchimp. If you do, congratulations! You have successfully integrated Mailchimp with your Facebook page. Integrating Mailchimp with your Facebook page can help you grow your subscriber list and reach more people. By following these simple steps, you can create a Facebook ad campaign and a lead form that will allow you to collect email addresses from your audience. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.